Tech giants rule the AI chatbot arena, but a game changer is on the horizon. Apple, famed for innovation and user experience, enters with AppleGPT. Explore its potential, key figures, and the impact on Apple's future in AI. Let's unveil the revolution. AppleGPT, unveiling the secret weapon. Apple's new AI chatbot, AppleGPT, represents a bold leap into the realm of artificial intelligence for the tech giant. Leveraging the cutting-edge AJAX framework, which itself is built on Google's JAX framework, Apple is tapping into the immense potential of large language models. By harnessing the power of GPUs and TPUs, AJAX empowers AppleGPT to process vast amounts of data and perform complex mathematical operations with remarkable efficiency. The choice of AJAX as the foundational framework for AppleGPT underscores Apple's commitment to developing a chatbot that not only meets the high standards set by its competitors, but also pushes the boundaries of AI capabilities. The flexibility and robustness of AJAX allow Apple's developers to write code that can seamlessly run on different devices, ensuring optimal performance across various platforms. With language models being the core of any AI chatbot, the selection of AJAX was a strategic move on Apple's part. Google's JAX framework has already proven its worth in creating powerful language models, and Apple seems poised to capitalize on this existing success. By adopting a framework with a proven track record, Apple can focus on optimizing and tailoring the chatbot's functionalities to meet the unique needs of its users. Moreover, Apple's foray into the AI chatbot domain with AppleGPT reveals the company's dedication to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. The decision to develop an in-house AI chatbot speaks volumes about Apple's desire to retain control over its AI ecosystem and maintain its reputation for delivering exceptional user experiences. The move towards security and caution. Privacy and security have always been at the core of Apple's values, and this approach extends to their endeavors in generative AI. The potential risks associated with generative AI, particularly in the form of fake content like manipulated news and videos, are well known in the tech industry. Apple, being acutely aware of these challenges, approached the development of their AI chatbot, AppleGPT, with a keen sense of caution. In order to mitigate any potential security risks and maintain the utmost confidentiality, Apple opted to keep the testing of AppleGPT within a tightly controlled environment. Initially, only a select group of trusted employees were granted access to the chatbot, and even their involvement required approval from higher-ups. By limiting access to a small, vetted team, Apple ensured that any potential vulnerabilities or issues could be addressed swiftly and efficiently. This guarded approach to testing not only protects Apple's proprietary technology, but also reinforces the company's dedication to safeguarding user data and privacy. In today's digital landscape, where data breaches and privacy concerns are all too common, Apple's commitment to maintaining the highest security standards is a reassuring testament to their responsibility as a tech leader. Versatile applications of AppleGPT. Apple envisions a wide array of applications for its AI chatbot across various products and services. In Sarai, AppleGPT could revolutionize the user experience, making interactions feel more human-like and tailoring responses to individual needs. In iMessage, users might have engaging conversations that resemble chatting with a friend, mentor, or tutor, seeking advice, humor, or knowledge. The Photos app could leverage AppleGPT to enhance or create images based on user instructions, giving users creative control over their visual content. The Music app might offer personalized song crafting or remixing, generating melodies, beats, or lyrics tailored to individual tastes. Additionally, The Podcasts app could provide an enriching experience where users can listen to or even create content on various topics. The visionaries behind AppleGPT. The success of AppleGPT relies heavily on the expertise of key figures leading the project at Apple. John Giannandrea, Apple's Senior Vice President of Machine Learning and AI Strategy, and Craig Federici, Senior Vice President of Software Engineering, are instrumental in the development of Apple's AI initiatives. Giannandrea, with his experience leading AI teams at Google, brings invaluable insights, while Federici's expertise in software products adds to the strength of the project. Under the guidance of these visionaries, Apple's team of engineers, researchers, and AI experts are dedicated to harnessing AI's potential for Apple and its users. Apple's AI strategy, slow and steady, wins the race. Apple's approach to generative AI sets it apart from its competitors. While other tech giants have been more open and aggressive in their AI developments, Apple has chosen a more reserved and careful path. They prefer not to rush into releasing their AI chatbot or over-promote it. Instead, Apple is focused on gradually integrating AppleGPT into its products and services, ensuring that it seamlessly fits in and enhances user experiences. The Apple enthusiasts' expectations. As one of the pioneering companies in technology, Apple's reputation for top-notch quality and innovation has been well established. However, in recent times, critics have argued that Apple's innovative spark may have dimmed, leaving them trailing behind in the AI race. Yet, the introduction of AppleGPT shows that the company remains a strong player, committed to making great products and investing in AI technology. The future of AppleGPT. As of now, Apple has not divulged much information about the release, features, or compatible devices for AppleGPT. However, with the expertise of its top executives like Giannandrea and Federici, Apple seems to have a well-thought-out plan for the AI chatbot. The company's CEO Tim Cook has expressed his belief in AI's potential to make our lives better and easier, hinting at something big coming from Apple in the AI domain. Competing in the AI industry. Apple faces formidable competition in the AI industry, particularly from Microsoft and Meta. The recent open-source release of Llama 2 by these companies has raised concerns about Apple's ability to monetize its AI technology. Nevertheless, Apple enthusiasts and investors have shown enthusiasm for AppleGPT, evident from the stock price surge after the news of its development broke. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on more exciting content. Subscribe and hit the bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, keep exploring,